Hi, and thanks for joining us. We'll be demonstrating how to install our newest product, the Wafer-Style mag meter, available in 2 and 3-inch line sizes. Both the Dura mag and the Ultra mag are available in the Wafer-Style, and they install in the exact same manner. In this video, a Dura mag will be shown. Let's get started. When unboxing your new meter, the following items will be included: a Wafer-Style mag meter, an installation, operation, and maintenance manual, better known as an IOM, a quick start guide, and calibration report. You'll also receive the following parts: 4 fully threaded studs, 8 hex nuts, 8 flat washers, and 2 gaskets. If you have a 3-inch Duramag or Ultramag, you'll also receive 2 clear plastic tubes that you'll need to use alongside the threaded rods. For this installation, you'll need 2 1 1/16 inch wrenches, with the exception of the 3-inch Ultramag, in which you'll need 2 1 1/4 inch wrenches. You'll begin by first installing the lower 2 threaded studs with washers and nuts as shown. Be sure to leave them loose at this time, allowing the meter freedom to shift if required prior to final tightening. For the 3-inch Duramag and Ultramag specifically, you'll need to insert the bottom 2 threaded rods into the 2 clear plastic tubes prior to placing the washers and nuts onto the rods. These plastic tubes help center the wafer meter along the center of the pipe. If you don't install these with your 3-inch meter, you run the risk of your wafer mag not being centered in your flow. Place the gaskets along the pipe opening. This is required to create a proper seal and prevent leakage. Wedge the meter between the 2 gaskets, ensuring the flow arrow is pointing in the correct direction for the process. Rotate the meter if necessary, so that the converter is upright. Install the upper 2 threaded studs with washers and nuts as shown. Tighten all nuts, securing the meter in line in a crisscross pattern. Thank you for joining us for another episode in our product support series. Don't forget to subscribe to the McCrometer YouTube channel to get notified each time we release a video. For more information about McCrometer and all of our products, please visit McCrometer.com.